This how-to is going to be on how to set up a shared list data field on a PSM. So this would be opposed to, say, a static list where that list only exists in that one configuration. This is a shared list which can exist on multiple configurations. So under your welcome, you can hit the core software. We're going to select configuration. We're going to select devices, or we can select devices over here under configuration. I already have a module set up, so I'm going to select my data fields PSM. I'm going to hit the edit. I'll go to monitoring points. As you can see, I already get the data field set up for those two. I'm going to select my maintenance. And then what I want to do is while that's selected, I want to hit my data field add. Here, and we're going to say maybe issue. So we want them to tell us what the issue was that they fixed. So the mode, I'm going to do that on clear because they won't really know that until after they fixed it, which is at the end. Then from my source type, we're going to select the list. Not required means we're saying they don't have to select anything. Modification at any time means they can modify what they selected at any time. On a clear situation, it doesn't really work out well, but on any of those it would. So we'll get a shared list. Here's where we're going to select one of those shared lists that we've already created. So if you don't have a shared list or you haven't set that up yet, there is a how-to video on how and wiki step-by-step on how to set that up. So if you haven't done it, you can just discard and exit, then go set that shared list, and then come back in here and do this. So I've selected my shared list that I have. It's a text field. Click over here, so now I see that my issue is going to be there. I hit that save and exit. I actually have this as a, I was saying, as a PC input module, so basically it should show up here. I'm going to hit maintenance. It's going to go out. They're going to come over. They're going to acknowledge it. They're going to fix that issue, and then when they go to clear it, it's going to ask them to select the issue. So I have item 1 and item 2 in that shared list. Select which one it is. Then I'm going to hit OK, and then that's going to clear it out. That concludes this how-to video on setting up that shared list data field on a PSM. Look forward to talking to you again.